Missouri is not part of our choice. However, I saw on Facebook, just scrolling, a random scroll. Tapos, ayun, nakita ko yung Missouri. So, sabi ko, try ko lang i-visit. And then, ayun, nag-send ako sa kanya ng videos, pictures, including sa family niya. And then, nag-agree sila. Nagadahan. Tapos, kinunta ko na agad sa coordinator, si Zai. So, siya yung naging unang contact dito. Doon, nag-start yung conversation namin on how we are going to start this celebration. So, very thankful din ako sa Missouri family for making this day a really big one. Ayun lang. Thank you.